Hello friends. Welcome to T Academy. Let's continue the TNEB Electrical Engineering model questions here. So in this question, I would like to discuss about the network topology. The basic equations are required in this concept is L number of loops is equal to number of loops or links is equal to B minus N plus 1. That's an B is nothing but number of branches. Okay. So N is nothing but number of nodes and plus 1 is a numerical number here. Okay, and similarly there is a one more formula is there, so number of loops and a number of twigs. So number of twigs or number of nodes is nothing but equations required to solve the KCL is nothing but n minus 1 here. So this is required for solving a network with the concept of KVL. Okay, so if the network is given and they are asked to find what is the equations, what is the number of equations required to solve the particular network by using KVL technique, by using KCL technique, then you can easily tell the answer here. So let's discuss here. This is our TNEB 2018 electrical question here. Okay, a network has a 12 branches and 8 independent loops. How many nodes are there in the network? So just you need to substitute this all the parameters in the formula here. Now B is given how much? So B is given as a 12 and L is nothing but number of loops is nothing but 8, and they are asked to find number of nodes here. So 8 is equal to 12 minus n plus 1. So how much it is? So 12 plus 1 is 13. So 8 minus 13 is equal to minus n. So n is nothing but 5 is the answer for this question. So likewise we discussed in the earlier videos. And then now we'll move to the next question here. Okay, so this is a gate 1 mark question. Now the number of chords in the graph given will be, so number of chords is nothing but it's equal to number of loops. Okay, so number of loop equations, so loop equations is nothing but, so L is equal to B minus n plus 1. As we discussed, B is nothing but what? It's nothing but branches. N is nothing but number of nodes where two or more elements are going to be connected here. Now from this point of view, first we'll assume the branches. So what is the branches here? So branches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 branches are there. So B is nothing but 6 here. What about the nodes? So N is equal to, so as a nodes is equal to, so there is a one node, and here is second node, and here is a third node, and here is a fourth node. So N is equal to what? 4. Okay, and just you need to substitute these values in the formula here. Now what you get is L number of loops or number of chords is equal to, so B is a 6 minus 4 plus 1. So how much it is? It is going to be 3. So 3 loops are required. Suppose for the same problem, if we solve this network by using the KCL equations, then for the KCL equations, number of equations will be, so number of equations is equal to n minus 1. So that means there are 4 nodes are there, so 4 minus 1 is equal to be 3 here. Okay, and similarly like this we will solve one more problem here based on this concept. Okay, this is the third question. Now if the graph of network has a 10 branches, 6 nodes, then what is the number of mesh equations or KVL equations required to solve the network? Now, so branches are given, B is equal to 10 they are given, and then N is nothing but 6 they are mentioned. Okay, number of mesh equations are KVL equations. So KVL or mesh equations, L is equal to B minus N plus 1. So it's nothing but 10 minus 6 plus 1 is nothing but 5. Similarly, if we use this concept of KCL for solving this network, then so number of twigs is equal to, so total number of nodes minus 1 is nothing but 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is going to be 5 is the answer. Okay, so like this simple formula will give 1 mark in the examination. Okay, so don't lose this concept. Just remember the formula here. The important formula here it is this one. Okay, once you remember this formula, you will get at least 1 mark in the exam. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and update, and please watch this video through online only. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.